Hi, my name is Robin Maii, chef owner of Fete in Chinatown, Honolulu. And today we're going to make our Korean Babette. And kalbi does mean shortbread, but we're actually not using shortbread. We're using a flat steak, and that we fabricated down to a really nice, even piece of meat. So it's like kalbi flavored. And the reason why we're doing this dish today is because there are actually 4 different sauces that we use to make this dish that uses Aloha tamari sauce. So we love the tamari because of its depth of flavor. It's got a lot of umami, it's got a lot of complexity, and it's also gluten-free. This is our piece of meat, and it's been marinated in a kalbi marinade for 24 hours. I'm going to give it a really liberal seasoning, which is salt, and we're going to put it on the grill. Okay, while that is cooking, we're going to prepare our fried rice, and this also gets a sauce. So we make a ginger scallion sauce that also uses the Aloha tamari. We add a lot of pepper to the fried rice. Pinch of salt. We're gonna take a little bit of oil. We're actually gonna move this over. Look, we have space now. Early this morning here, so space is at a premium. This also comes with the Asian pear slaw. So in the Asian pear slaw, we have Asian pears, local Napa cabbage or lombok, purple cabbage, local carrots, a lot of cilantro, and scallions are in here. This gets tossed with our Noodle sauce, which has a lot of the tamari in it. So we're going to set that to the side. We give the rice a stir. Turn the Bavette. And the Bavette is just a French term that describes the way it's cut. So far, we have the Aloha tamari in the kalbi marinade. We have the Aloha tamari in the ginger scallion sauce that we use to season the fried rice, and then also Aloha tamari in the Noodle sauce for our Asian pear slaw. Probably one of the more popular dishes. It's been on the menu since day one. I'm going to give this a nice toss. The fourth sauce in this dish, which is my grandmother's gochujang sauce. So she takes gochujang paste and then adds a lot of honey, shoyu, in this case we're using Aloha tamari, and sesame seeds and rice wine vinegar and sugar. So and then it was kind of an all-purpose dipping sauce, but we love it on the steak. And it wouldn't be a Korean dish without more green onion. That's the dish.